Good morning. Hi everyone, welcome back to Nikonoko. Trying to do some winter maintenance stuff in order to gain a little content, I suppose. But Ruby Rhod's been developing a bit of a hesitation. She's also got a check engine light for a knock sensor. We did replace the knock sensor with a used unit, so it's possible that's still bad. But we also picked up some spark plugs. I figured it probably needs some spark plugs. She's got about 80,000 miles on her. So she's starting to get up there to where that would be necessary, but also she's 23 years old. And so we figured we would get that handled and see if that gets rid of the hesitation issue and maybe the engine code and all that stuff. And if it doesn't, we'll probably just take it over to Josh at Boxer Automotive and have him do a full workup on it and figure out what exactly is going on with his diagnostics skills. Kari's going to be helping me today. She's standing behind the camera right now. Awesome. So yeah, let's get to work. Let's start on the what looks to be possibly the easy side.
Jesse!
Just grabbing the usual suspects. 10, 12, 13, 14.
He counted the right way this time.
Here's our little magnetic dish. Oh, here we go. Got a coffee can. Needs a little bit of spray. Oops. Whoa, hey.
Jeez.
Oh, the squirting everywhere.
That's what she said.
Well, honey, I think this is on here permanently.
Oh.
I'm just kidding.
Okay.
I'm just gonna let it sit for a little bit. Pull that out without actually worrying about it. So much sound deadening. Oh, that's not a good sign. There is oil all over the outside of that.
Awesome.
That appears to be the problem. I bet you got a valve cover gasket, man. Well, we found the problem.
It's quick.
Oil. Right in the spark plug access tube. So, looks like we probably have bad valve cover gaskets. So, that's all the further we're going today. Ha! Thanks for watching. So I'm here at Boxer. Decided that we didn't have the capacity to do the valve cover gaskets at home. Josh is my trusted mechanic, so decided to bring it here to have him do it. Got it up on the lift, and he's going to get to work. He's going to do his magic. I'll film as much as I can. We'll see how it goes.
I know it's not hot, but it's like 2 degrees off to start my car and I already got stuff.
What's your over-under on time?
Huh?
What's your over-under on time?
How long it'll take?
Yeah. What's your record?
Now you put me under pressure. I'd say like 30 minutes.
30 minutes. Dang.
That's what I'm gonna try.
Wow.
It's a Monday though, so maybe 45.
I think if I did it, it'd be like 4 hours.
I think this is on here permanently.
I think about the hole too. Yeah, that's pretty good.
Yeah.
You turn the thermostat up, Jason? You turn the thermostat up?
Yeah.
Did you?
When I got here, yeah. I'll turn it.
Sweat.
It was a bit cold when I got here. I had the door open for a while.
Oh yeah.
Dang, you don't realize how loud that thing is until it shuts off.
Yeah, right.
It's like, wow.
Right.
At 65.
Did you say 85? Nope, not gonna find that. Sounds like the engine was running. That's a little warm.
Right. It's gonna smoke a little bit when we start it up.
Yeah, a little oil in the combustion chamber. Yeah, you can see where the oil's been cooked onto that.
Yeah. That's what a Subaru plug looks like.
Oh my goodness. It's a frame product, that's why I don't like them.
I'm not a big frame guy.
Not many mechanics are.
Factories are so fucking loose.
Now, do you have to pull the timing cover off, or is it just
No, it'll slide past
loosen
it.
the bolt? Okay.
Yeah, you take the bolt out. Yeah, these are the easiest ones. They don't have any RTV on them, so you don't have to scrape any RTV off.
Yeah.
Yeah, they give you a lot of space too. Foresters are like, they sink down a little bit further, but
Okay.
this one's like this is a good breakfast, you know, first car of the day kind of deal.
Warm up.
Yeah. Look at that, all that space.
Yeah.
You know how clean that is too, it's pretty clean. These are all black and all that,
Yeah.
only
It's only got like 87,000 miles on it.
right?
tube seals, and they're basically hardened. And so that's why it started leaking. Old gaskets. Doesn't matter how many miles are on the engine, it's the age. And they are 23 years old.
They're like, well, yeah, I'll check underneath, make sure we're kosher, but it's running good.
Okay.
Hopefully those head gaskets last a while.
Yeah, we'll see. I know Kari loves his car, but if we have to get another one, we gotta get another one.
Yeah, if it starts getting hot, definitely don't keep going, because these blocks are they're pricey now. Yeah. We're doing like 2-liter swaps, and I hate doing 2-liter swaps, man. I hate it so much. We're good.
Cool. Well, Ruby is all done. Valve cover replacement, or gasket replacement, went off without a hitch. Josh did an amazing job. He did not do it in 30 minutes. It was a little over an hour, but that's fine. Unfortunately, the check engine light did come back. Figure out what's going on with the knock sensor there. Now I'm just getting a car wash. Trying to clean her up real nice for Kari. And I tell you what, her pep has come back, so that's nice. If you liked this video, do this thing. Maybe subscribe. I should have some more stuff coming out soon. Got some maintenance on the Taurus done. And it's almost spring, a couple more months. And we'll be needing to do some stuff to the Legacy to get that ready for the season. And hopefully this year we will also hit crunch time on the Escort project and get that K-swap going. So that should be fun. Bye.